a soaring commercial center that houses hundreds of multinational corporations. At GTC, my most frequent encounters are not only with global elites, but also with global opportunities. GTC, an ultimate premium city complex in East Africa, boasts three-dimensional transportation network. Surrounded by world-class resources, it communicates with the world at zero distance. Occupying the emerging central business district of Nairobi, it lights up the mood of global elites. GTC, 4 business elements providing unprecedented entrepreneurial opportunities in East Africa. A 184-meter business landmark stands at the heart of East Africa. Setting the stage for the epic business developments of Fortune Global 500 companies. Excellent business facilities set new record for business complexes in East Africa. Spacious office layout nurtures miracles and inspirations. The Sky Private Club serves as a communication platform for global elites. Luxury 5-star hotel, JW Marriott's first endeavor in East Africa. The international well-known security team provides all-round security services. It is the first choice for political leaders, business gurus, and international elites to stay when visiting Nairobi. In the convention halls that hold international conferences, people encounter the opportunities all over the world. (9,600 square meter modernistic international garden, Kenya's largest, enjoying a serene view of Nairobi City. GTC Opulent Apartment Community, the highest quality service department in East Africa. Introducing a globalized lifestyle with modern design concepts. Its world-class hardware represents the high quality of life of urban cities. Private Club, experiencing various lifestyles at zero distance. Full amenities make your daily life worry-free. Leading international property management providing 24-hour service for you. GTC Boutique Mall helps urban elites to lead a wonderful life. Slow down the pace of life and appreciate the good things in your life other than business. Fulfill your imagination of a flourishing capital while enjoying the rhythm of life at its center. In front of you are the treasures of a nation. Around you are the wealthiest elites of the world. A stage where the world's spectacles is on show every day. A magnet where the world's wealth aggregates at every second. GTC. Looking forward to greeting elites from all over